Today I'll show you the absolute basics of Blender in less than 4 minutes. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will give you a solid foundation to get started right away. Let's go. When you have installed Blender, you will see 3 objects: the default cube, a light, and a camera. Scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in or out. In the top right, you will see a small hand. Hold it down to move around the plane. To move in 3D space, you can use the axis seen in the top right. Hold an axis and move it to rotate the scene. You can also click on an axis to view the scene from a straight-on perspective. To delete the light and the cube, you can select them by clicking with the left mouse button, then press the X key. Confirm with delete. To select multiple objects at once, hold Shift. To add a new object, click Shift+A and select the object under Mesh. Let's choose a UV sphere. A small menu will appear at the bottom. Click on it. Here you can adjust the UV sphere. Lower the segments and rings to reduce render power usage. To smooth the sphere, right-click on it and choose Shade Smooth. However, this is not enough, so we need to add a subdivision surface modifier. Explanation: a modifier is a tool that changes the geometry of an object. Set the levels to around 2 or 3. Now you have a smooth sphere. Click the camera icon to view the camera view. This is the image we will see after rendering. To move objects, use the Move tool that you'll find in the top left. You can use it to move your sphere along all axes. If you hold Control while moving, the object will move proportionally. Further below, you will find the Scale tool, which you can use to scale your objects, either smaller or larger. You can also scale along a specific axis. At the top, you will see the Rotation tool, which you can use to rotate your objects. To show you another mode in Blender, add a cube. Press Tab, or switch the mode from Object mode to Edit mode. Now you are in Edit mode, where you can adjust the object itself. If you have vertices selected at the top, you can move the points of the cube. Holding Shift allows you to select multiple points. If Faces is selected, you can edit the faces of the object. If Edges is selected, you can edit the edges. To get more edges and vertices, press A and right-click. Select Subdivide. This will double the number of vertices, edges, and faces. You can also add a new face using the Loop Cut. Now delete the cube again and focus on Materials. Switch to Viewport Shading in the top right. Select the object and click New under Materials. You can adjust the color of the sphere here. With the Metallic field, you can make the material metallic, and with the Roughness field, you can make it smoother or more matte. To create a scene, we add a plane. Scale it so that no edges are visible in the camera view, and give the plane a black matte material. To add more light, click Shift+A, select Light, and choose either Point or Area. Scale the light up, position it higher, and set the light power to 1000. If you now switch to Render View at the top, you'll see the near final result. In the render settings, you can change the render engine from Eevee to Cycles for a better result. Set the render settings as needed for the best possible result. To achieve the best rendering quality, I recommend watching a separate video dedicated to render settings. Now we are ready to render our first image. To do this, click on Render Image at the top and boom, your image is rendered. Now we are at the end of the quick tutorial. I hope you were able to learn something. If you need help, you can join my Discord server. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.